Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Space Marine 2 Ultrawide issue. As we all know, the community at large wants to know if there is an Ultrawide fix in support in Warhammer 4K, but unfortunately there's no way to fix the Ultrawide issue for the game. There's no patch or whatever. However, there's a bright side to the Ultrawide fix in support in this specific game. And don't worry, it'll be over soon. Thanks to the roadmap here, shared by the developers, it can be confirmed that the Ultrawide support will be coming soon. While an official date has not been announced yet, the Ultrawide fix and support in Warhammer 4K should be coming sometime this September or next month. Alright, there are also couple of mods that assumingly fix the issue at hand. And also keep in mind that these mods are not listed in the CM workshop, and as such, they are not official. You could try these ones from Reddit, as you can see here, and from this one as well, from Steam. You can just go ahead and look for Ultrawide fix for Space Marine 2. And that is it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.